Every roof is different. And the layout and number of panels also. Look at these pictures of jobs, before and after installation. You will notice how difficult it is to see the solar guard even though we are close to it. Suffolk Bird Control Services deal with bird problems 100%. We specialize in just bird issues, and have a great understanding and knowledge base of the problems birds cause. There is a solution to every problem. We have years of experience dealing with problem birds. We are a member of the National Pest Technicians Association and carry full public liability insurance, cherry picker license and working at height certificates. If you have a bird problem, we have the solution. Please contact us for more information or visit our website.